Hey, what's going on, guys? Cam here from graymedia.marketing. So in this video, this is going to be a video that I haven't done before, and I thought, why haven't I done this? This is a video that every realtor needs to see if they haven't started their real estate Instagram page, or if they haven't started an Instagram page already. We're going to go through all the processes step by step on what I would do when setting up this page. I'm going to be setting up as a personal brand for Cameron Gray. So I'm going to be taking you through this process, not just this video, but there's going to be a couple different parts to these videos, and we're going to show you guys how we set up these accounts, how we create templates for these accounts, how we set up all of our Canva, how we automate our different processes. So tag along on this journey, guys. It's going to be fun. We're going to take it right from scratch. So as you can see here, I got my phone open. We have to make a new account here. So I'm going to cut through this process. Let's get to this. Next. Now this is an important thing. Some people would probably just click next. I've seen people put X's in here. I've seen people put underscores and all these hashtags and all this and that and this and that. You want this to be clean. This is your name. This is like you're handing someone your business card. You don't want it to be handed to them with dirt on it or scratched or ripped. And that those underscores and hashtags and X's is just each piece of dirt and each scratch on that business card. So I like to keep it clean. So we're going to go for that Cameron Gray, and we're going to sign up. You can always change your username later, as it says. So if you guys have those X's or those underscores or those lines that I'm talking about, we all know what we're talking about here. Go ahead and change that right away. So right away, Instagram is going to give you a bunch of suggestions of things to do. I just bypass all of that, especially if you're watching this video. You're supposed to be taking that information from me, not from Instagram itself. So there's 4 main steps when starting your profile. As you can see, it is going to recommend you to do this all here. So the profile photo, this is an important step. So you are going to want to make sure that you're picking a clear photo of you. You can easily see your face. It's clean, professional. You're dressed nicely. Your smile's perfect. Your teeth are nice and white, and it's lit properly. That is the first step. But we take this another step further, and I'm going to send you guys a video. It's going to be linked down in the description of this video, actually, if it's up. If not, I'm going to have another video in the meantime. But this is going to make it so you can actually change your profile photo, and it will be a branded profile photo with your face, your brand colors, and that's it. You want it to be clean, simple, easy like that. So that's going to be the first step. Click on the video in the link down below in the description of this video to see how we do that. So the next step is going to be adding a clear bio. So adding a bio, you can click it right there, is very key when first starting. It's going to tell people who you are and what you're about. So mine is going to be something like, I help real estate agents get more listings. Get more listing appointments, we're going to say. Very, very niche. Very, very niche. So we're going to leave it like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down below, and I'm going to put key things in. So if I had a license of any sort, so if I was a broker or a real estate agent, I would put broker. If I was licensed with any sort of specific criteria, I would say licensed. Let's say you had your plumbing license too. You put cool little emojis beside it. Broker. Okay, so we have a broker, licensed plumber, and then you can also put like your phone number. So I would put like 905-537-6637. Call us with any of your real estate needs, obviously your marketing needs, and then you can put an actual phone emoji. Done. So right away, now it's a clean call to action. I help real estate agents get more listings appointments. I already know what this account's about. I know that he's a broker. I know that he's a licensed plumber as well. I know his phone number. I would probably put the emojis before the phone number and all of the different licensings. It just looks cleaner on your page. The next step would be to find people to follow, but obviously you don't want to just go ahead and start following everybody. What I would recommend doing is when I'm first starting out, I would pick the area that I want to start growing off of first. So I know that I want to start growing off of Toronto and social in Toronto. So I'm going to start with Toronto. And who is my target audience? So I'm going to go into the places. I'm going to go into Toronto, Ontario. We have the most popular posts in Toronto, but we also have the most recent posts. The top posts aren't that important to us, but the most recent ones are. This is going to show us who has posted recently on Instagram. We can scroll through here and see if we can see any prospective clients. So this person's hosting a podcast. We can see what she's about. She's a health coach. Let's give her a follow. Will Ballo, nice high quality photo. He's a business strategist. Let's give him a follow. my ideal clientele is going to be realtors. I wouldn't highly suggest following right away these people. I would leave genuine comments because they're going to be followed by a page that has no posts, nothing. So they're going to think it's just spam. So they're probably not going to follow back. So it's not a great idea, but this is how you're going to get to see your prospective clients. Scrolling through here. So if you're a realtor, hey, look, this person's a dog owner. They're probably a homeowner as well. They have 2 dogs. You can see what their life's about. Amazing, cute dog. Hope you had fun walking your dog, sort of thing. Leave genuine comments like this. It's going to be bringing people to your page. But now that we have our page set up, our bio is set up, our phone number is easily accessible. There are a couple of other things that we can add. So we can add our phone number here so it's easily accessible. You can also put your gender if you want to say. Now you can also add pronouns. Show to followers only. That's interesting. I don't know if I would add that. You can also add your website. This is important. So I'm going to put graymedia.marketing because that's my website. And done. So now, as you can see, we have the website there. You can click into it. It automatically launches us to a website. If you guys have a website but you want to go one step further, you can add a link in bio. I'm going to have another video in the description below about link in bio and setting up a link in bio. This is just a more detailed version of link right here, and it allows you to access your YouTube channel, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, all the different profiles. So if you want to connect all of your pages together and get more followers that way, that's how you would do that. So you have your photo now done, you have your description done, you have your website set up. Next, I would start creating highlights. So in order to do that, you're going to have to start creating story posts. So start creating stories on your post. But that's basically it when first setting up your page with all of your description, setting all of the first steps to it. And the next part is actually going to be going through and setting up templates and going through and setting up a schedule. So we're going to take you step by step through starting an Instagram page and actually growing an Instagram page. So thank you so much for watching the first process when setting it up. Let's go into the next one where we're actually learning how to set up templates and all of that fun stuff. It's been Cam from Gray Media. If you guys are a real estate agent looking to grow your business using social media, don't hesitate to give us a call. Send us a message. We're always on Instagram, or just send me a text. I'm always available for a conversation to help you guys out with creating content, coaching you through your content, or creating it for you. It's been Cam. We'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, peace out.